Big boobs? What? Child. Anyway, so
that's suspicious. That's weird.
Don't do it. Don't do it.
Oh my god, it's not funny.
Well, maybe it's just because you're ugly.
Ugly? You gotta be kidding me.
I don't know, I just don't think this is like great for me. I don't want to do it. I want to go home. Like, I can't take the pressure of it. But don't you think any job interview...
Oh, she passed away? Oh. All right.
So, my eyes are correct.
Back to the computer. Oh my gosh, I'm such a nerd. Let's see if I got any new comments. Aw, man.
It's 4th of July. I'm ready to pop these firecrackers. Don't pop them on me. What the police say?
The police right there.
11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On a pussy hole.
Just answer the question, okay? Please don't play with me right now. Just, no, that's it. Please. Let's not, please.
Yo, I'm really goofy and like regular. I don't like to be like, hi guys, so da-da-da-da. Yes, I did that. And you would do it too for a check. I was an employee. And I was going to get employee of the month. And that's on period. So yeah. But that's not who I really am. You know what I'm saying? Like,
Today. Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God, what is that?
Where's the flavor? Where's the flavor in this? I don't taste anything. I don't taste sugar, cinnamon, nutmeg, milk, nothing. Nothing at all. It's just bland.
Do the hokey pokey and turn your big ass around and get the fuck back to your fucking seat. The fuck is wrong with your ashy ass?
Okay,
Your fucking ankles.
Okay, disco
All right.
ball.
All right. All right. All right.
You should have put it on
Don't
your toes.
disrespect my